back to Kofi has yeah.
2002. You guys say nothing.
I think I'm going to
2022. Yes,
2022.
Yeah. And that's it. My femo.
Nice one.
First day, Nicole Sanka, yeah, by BBT, into me, but very necessary. Opemsuo radio, Mambaha, Kumasi, Mambaha, not just a Mamba cry. Masambe Fia Babichia.
Nice one. I mean, say, what the 1 week, Kumasi, so far we still know. Akwa say ye Saturday in Fremo.
So bezo who dia mistake na ya no come Instagram who say Sarkodie dia aside to the page dan say na ni gender emro so senior mo jeme so da me dru ye ene senior nipa hwe me bedru and then trust me Kumasi ahwe me ye papa
omajo fe so nice one my influence here for free say this week and I said from last week we were doing say Kumasi Rapperholic and Ebano and come back up and Opemsuo radio be a phone in a midjumedi so amount for car ya Sarkodie yen clear no enfem free ho and anahima na you know me ntiese na we are sanity yeah chechim ka creative for free say you know one bar yen enfem free ho
temi kwana be mo hwehwe me say na me home family to say event me show the best start because now I hear the sanke ye beba na atena akopim say show ne because so na me ho family say na out here na anti na sada na me ye den coming to me fly
kafra
me born in Chemena e masantema yako
yeah that say man fa sha say free memenda no say the jumadi ne sha say memenda no pa usori no pa mse na pomudi ho ye pa na hwe class na say nsuo no ase pete ase to ase nto na feeling it say from anopa kwesi time jumadi na nkasa sha say
I think a day before no kwa na nsuo to so kaya no eto awiane jai nyumbre no nti show day na eto no na me say okay bia ndra de ne bia ne besi nyumbre na jai na nka etumi aye ba na nyumbre ni na me hu say eto nta yem hihye de mint na hantwantro say wo na me yem hihye me papa
wow
ayem hihye na nya because show no bia na asay because and etumi si ayem hihye ne ye nkofo mo tue sika na mo te ho no say show no nkofo 11 kwa na bank ebe
wow
ne de medjuma onyo bi echi scandal so ko na akoye nti ho no nyanya ho na yasem ne ba se nipa na tinsuo ni mu no na me ho tete me pa but eja yakopon nim se no ye ne bibia nti mini so bedru obe no ho no crapot nti na ene mete ha ebe ka ho asem
nsuo ne sha se to no satana mo amokom ya for Johnson vanyo pa ho na me wo ade ba ko pe na ekoso mitrim miss highest osanko be fie na nka lesi ya serensu inde ma no msi ya sere de anke sere wa mamre fie de ma yeah because be Kumasi na ma fie no na me worry ba ko pa no nka oba na suma nkwa hina nka bibia na nka chiredi chiredi na secret ma fie na ni nyina no it was all good
yes
time our climb stage crowd don't know they were no msi cheer up no na to say
media sanyama no
what expectation be ba
yes because of the energy and me who from even maybe remu me won kran kran na me who energy no and Sack Nation bo ejuma and the man kana me bo Sack Nation Kumasi ebo ejuma pa mo ye all the interviews and no say Sarkodie be no mo ye ni na kran sa meba intina information no wo ho me share social media Instagram Twitter and TikTok obia o mama to mo tickets na den so I knew say nipa be baba set ne dodo na betumi ayama ya bros no ho de mekanokre na me nsusu ne sa but de me hu ye no na me hu say asante a chere me odopa
wow nice one last Thursday before say show na nkasa be koso no at your dialogue one lady be mommy raised this concern about Kumasi not having an auditorium for such show one kasa think so be witness be and then I can found
me strapa say whether being investor private people and I say government no mama yenhwe Kumasi na yempe event centers cause I did see weekend na we the economy booster edebeba Kumasi no you can't take that for granted you let's all know say me na me per hotel kwa ma me nko fu me nyebi flight from Accra why dey na me nyebi inti that should tell you within that just weekend or so whole weekend because if you move back early the money spent around Kumasi So it's only right say bit to me a police our crowd we are. Let's hank in Debia. You know, stadium is a quiet limit and so out here. Yeah. Baby a bit to make all out. I think we can do event a bit to me at Chim will be about 1,000 capacity to match my any day. Pepe so will be 20,000 when we be. It wouldn't be bad at all. So I will urge if the government can come in, if not, any investor who believes that this is something they can get into. Me and Kasametu and Medrian who say I will do my analysis.
I shall say range land no ha.
Yes.
Then so I can't invest I said and the government.
Yes.
So at least so me a bit more working hand in hand. No Kumasi at least in your search auditorium a bit more funny per year.
Yes. Yes.
To me no I think say and the whole stadium and a bit more fair. I didn't see how can
NSC yeah kumukra no mendo mase so to me my opportunity to use the place. I think they were in a very sensitive time.
Okay.
And yeah, easy some because Brabefa Stadium the fire event. But the fact so to me, my crano me do masi. Me no mokasai. I think I know pana room will be also me co park in the Sonia there because about my tia says a park in the so the bedding say the stage in the so until 100 the name say limitations aba. Maybe Kumasi maybe Opemsuo so kai say me buy. Ti honia fa ho stadium ho na team the chain be be na me feel yi kakra say na say we na be dey na enko pe be for 9 mama use stadium no but city no be na wo kan be ni wa ye benya ne sa because nipa no door so na flat surface na air thing for them to enjoy it. I said okay o dey enya ne sa nti NSA4 ono mo say senior pitch in it said there's a match babebo enche bia and also ka ho nti almost say into me enko all out na time ni me de be ye ni ye nti no that's the only place we could do it but it was still a good look.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Can we say Rapperholic it has come to stay in Kumasi?
It has to. I have no choice even if I don't want to. At this point, I can't.
The love was deep.
Yes.
Wow.
I can't say that I won't come back again, but I have to be honest about it. What has to go into it before it's done?
Okay.
You know, it's a lot. Accra, you can get away with it. The vendors are already there. You don't have to travel. You don't have to fly. A lot of people. But this one, we're getting all the team, from artists to the team. It's a whole lot. But it's also a good opportunity. That's why we shouldn't dwell on the shortcomings or what can stop us from doing it. There's an opportunity for all of us.
Yeah.
Sometimes to prove it, Ed and say Kofu will come on board. But big shouts to the sponsors that came.
Yes. What did you do with
Momo, MTN for Momo, The Luckiest, GMX, Miami Nia Shatawale and Brand Shaxi. Our Africa World Airline, Verna Water, Lamborghini Energy Drink, Chems.
Okay.
You know, I'm a boy, and you're a punk, I did bedding. We need more of that. People who want to utilize these numbers, these eyeballs, because Rapperholic and one day pay a lot of activations are leading towards it. So you can engage the whole promo activations to also sell your product. So next year, make us a company BT and they are interested, to be a part of this history that we are creating. Let's make it happen because we will need it to keep this running, and I can't wait for next year for us to come back.
Next year, be the same month. September, na same but na say.
I be to amamo. Intina eno so ka ho na mbae.
Wow.
Kumasi for mon kan share me say. Sabosha months in any date no. If it's okay, we can keep it.
Ana ya juna crown so because him say na 25th there Accra Rapperholic.
Asama nation for car and run no say ko munyanka main kakra intinka we mbrantem in a year and sana December no ya Accra there no na omuntumi home because some person we two ni nyina but to be aboboso a na edin nti omundo almost suggest Easter. I don't know about that, but I'll throw it out there. Okay.
Really the crusade in Eastern Bad.
Okay.
Because Easter on share home event be Kumasi. Yeah, to me share home event be I say I know ordain. And mommy with me come me confess me who sure a son a change say Kumasi. Never. Since a woman Kumasi.
Wow.
Me will be that.
Wow.
A crowd net me police. Why are they?
That's it.
Me boy ba say Mark one part this time nsuo to pa say when you professor ko show him say there be edisaka because no heading nipa one or two bo ha infubo ha me hu mo bo ha mpese me boni din no hene ba ko dey say me money din otumfo yewura ne tro mo hene yes was so to table 3000 nsuo ni ntino table amaso we receipt the chairman
Junior mame address ya the way answer
yeah
I think main reason ti amete hende no is to say thank you to Asantemai. When Damase or Damodi address Sarkodie enemy team a Juma yedia my support amana say also make our stage by my men kanwa show no I think about experience more than me having a sold out concert. Say my sell out maybe I better say my sell out into meniaje no the icing on the cake ebe ma meniaje fully when everybody that bought a ticket got what they were expecting.
Yeah
and show that toy and into man for movie ko baby no mobile back no be quite renew finish seat na I into a say nyama bebre me came on be cancer me ade me de me hu no e was say me ka say
mainly the VVIP and the VIP.
Yes me pa obia chowa or to ticket na table insurance no ma ebi wa ko be so so bi kwa kofi e say ne boafu but me ka say ye babioma enfumso bia ye fe mo hu say adiem say nti ne ba ne say yes nso de nyame na mana to but I think it bia nke betumi put in place just in case a situation like that no yentumi anya kra na next year or the coming Rapperholic eba no ye be make sure say be sort you be out nti kafra obia already disappointed and also the people that came back know this is success so mugina nso ni mo awie show no ekosi anopa wie pie nyina na omugina ho medamase bebi Asantemai nti na min kofi a me ba bedamase me anka sansa na mako yeah
me for instance say na no ornament me nya show ni bia nhwe ye na mo stage na chi I think say o first performance I will see from be raka mu na me gina ho na me take video of you yeah to the course of backstage nyina na me no boys no asaka boys ni nyina wo tent ni mo at least at least one after the other no bia ebesina o twemo o stage na hu ye kwaso yi pa na show na nkasa de crowd no ko akra no asaba kakra because unya ba bi nyina no ahwebi it was massive comparing this one to Accra you know it is a crowd no
well my crowd for kumi but no credit
omodo dada
I almost say nyama me
as what it tell to
almost say nyama
yeah
no must be but this year must be binti you better try to do that in Accra but I will say it's two ways back to what I said as far as turn up and energy Kumasi I don't not just Rapperholic inti shows am Bobby Brain this particular one here na no she the energy ewo ho no na no she pa so that one I can't compare anything to this
okay
what I planned abibia beto ye insuo no say nyama bebre me entrance kwa na nye no like the na me person be me ama
okay
inti there's a whole lot that we have to stop to be able to let the show go on inti na honey dey make us say they na me person me personally on stage I couldn't do it so me so me perfectionist if I don't get what I want no matter how
in terms of performance and I say
me mono of course I'm professional so you wouldn't notice when I'm performing but I had a lot I didn't do sound check there's a but in show no manyama chair but in all we had a great time so I can imagine if I get exactly what I want so next year yinya bibia pepepepe benya so cause you loopholes I will say to me silly next one anobeshi but it was a great show I woke up early in the morning and I was shocked the feedback I was getting say almost everyone had an amazing time because me stage I don't notice one by one how you guys are feeling in there until me we are me be show say na moto hore no
okay nice one and upon me colleague be sending message say obo ase amemusa o love for Kumasi artists uni Kumasi boys no de na mo ye ni Kumasi mo climb stage mo see woni wo mo no woni Accra artists na te say
it's the
that love no
yes it's the same ye share there say obia ye ne bi nti obia hye ne kwana ba say ye share there ni na energy near the same.
Are we going to see something like trumpet with the Kumasi boys?
That's very possible.
It's in the pipeline.
Yes.
Proud to the program, okay, I say when Wale collab with new one, and no, I don't know. Say me na menya kwa share performance ni dia e bai.
That be. Insurely me no we show na na yaka wasem. No suggest say onim. Say na nyama ye na imkofo pentem na ye ma ye drag ade no. To the yen fantansa. now they ain't performing. You are later a bit to me.
It's no better. Try again in some way.
You this week. Possible sound for Friday, my
Would you believe say Friday at the other Saturday, man? In the sense, the biggest should be a bit too hard. And then track back with dear. We are to only get there watching a bar. So now to say be show you about an idea be back what we didn't see going. I don't want to prepare for
and you I was a medima munina and I was saying Yabotre. Mr. There were honor and this be ever stopping. After this it's good to drop any song from here.
Yeah. Always be a Sack Nation or fans thing everybody's on a watch.
Yeah.
Say Sarkodie a new track but now they back up Sack Native they are come so pa. See no so collabos be brave. But the Benya Kakasi back this year before say I think we knew be say at least my American rapper back
okay.
And you're possible.
Okay. Mate.
Because arguments in the bar how they say be a minimum so TV Sack Native anyway near can rap. Ghana had a winning size. Africa a band of rap.
Yes.
Winning size. Yeah, if you consider maybe a Sarkodie but my biggest artist back up.
No question say Maye
from America.
Maye because Sack Nation so mope.
Minimum Angelo idea.
What I say. Maye so Sack Nation and then you kwana na wo kan say omotaika.
I didn't ready more no.
Sack Nation pen in here be. No credit say ofa ye dwuma na. So only what goes in before you do those things now. It told be as a business person make us say be I don't think it's worth it. But so fans no pressure na modern man no because we make obi omoka nti ebedi hu dwuma. Yeah.
Before so be feature no they body na chance na selecting the na be track no.
I want the best of the song, not the best of me because music and it goes beyond just me and you. It is enyom no you betumi ayama na yeda because you betumi record and ramen drop because no matter who you are. So enyom na nkasa yanya enyom yede efa enye emfaso ni suntime famba. Nti enyom no so enyom ne tosoma yetu na I think it's good to go.
Wow. Oba has said even say Kumasi pictures ni waji bebre. We perfect to call the big one be Accra. Abonte ho menya nti yese fans ni bo ha. Ombe so mo chewo ni ma. Na minimum the crop minimum so Johnson for mo bra.
Okay.
For mo bra. Mo nse chewo mo why. Ye ni abrepa mo nse chewo mo ni mo ansana. Mo do mo ra inside. Back in the days when one kasa wonu ya wale mse question we say aba broken pieces na ye dey ultimate picking up at this time around. I say asosa.
Yes, me and I think there's mutual respect. But any pande there to the beer into as ye being yeduma. Normal. But ye soon him say ye pay one thing, ye pay the success of the music.
Okay.
We all want the best of each other. So I don't honor the any problem.
Okay.
But any pande there show base e be a fancy crowd to me bim ebe say enyama but yeah, side, and I don't think it's been a problem. And recently, it was more of when we link up, things like this now. You can't watch America, London, and into we see share. Look at how beautiful this has been. It's it's not that deep. And you say I'm confident who will be. That's the share who you want to be.
Without say be organize a beam memono. Yourself, Wallace, Stoneboy, Muntiman come home, maybe one day show see a massive one pa, maybe a motor outside Ghana, and I see in Ghana.
Maybe I'm a dream, I don't know. As I'm okay, I'm a dream. It's a home pie and a young boy.
Again, is it going?
A bed didn't submit to me answer, no. But Minya Casane Bay.
Wow. Your father, your brother, in that lumber, and Sonia baby call. Obviously, lumber on Casa, I know who you that. Young Shan was before say, you been a sack baby Yamanana.
Oh, and Carmes are because me, yes, I didn't know, Keke.
Brian man count. Man count. So and preaching the cow and come over to a friend. And man count now. You hear anymore.
Because a cow and also no and I may out see a baby to me count. And yamba that is a way a bar or bow bay.
Okay. Into your head must have a counter. What's my dear my a branch also did be breast or whatever. Yeah. Everybody, my answer. Maybe I wish him yes, Mark on buy. Wow. For my proof, we say, Mommy, a frozen. Braha. Won't you any mommy? Johnson, yeah. Nice one. Wow. Would any of you?
Dian Arts.
Dian. Oh, here for Kenya say, you ask Kenya say. Why this picture? I didn't account tell you.
Because for the love of Sarkodie.
Oh yeah, this is
marriage na minya no. Ene kwasi kwa magdika ko media me sansa na me ba.
I guess we're chasing wow.
We free
Oh, that's it.
Mama me be train wa.
And how do I like it park here bare 4 minutes near upon count and count chino. Wow.
That's a fire.
There's another culture sack. You know so feeling here pa.
Yeah.
I smell dog come so pa from a radio. And you would see more the idea now for them.
That's it. That's a fire. Why?
Nice one. And the flight in the minimum flight crowd about.
Yeah,
see a banner pie here from me now come on a bed. Senior most your breno jumedi di won so or say ba I know some brave pa because we enya Sarkodie pa be bush na de be che obe sorry obe na adwen so obe to no da santemase no. I don't know everything can be check.
The more the more the Santamadia amame no. The why amame no. Man be that's a kwanese me a. Me to me kwanda. And we nye me ko tweet and me do ko to Instagram. Baby I me buy ya me be catch am some brand in India go na mo buy no. Ehwa na me ba be that's. Nti me buy am asem yetia wa me be that's Santamase. Some why am na hefe. Mo a say me ka se homecoming no. Obi hwe a oba no beti homecoming ase. Na yebe koswaye
wow
ida yehowa so ase
wow nice one I'm speaking for akunya we say so na menda untouchable ase DJ Mensa information be on the defeat me mahani ye pa mahani pa ntumi se no abra me yes still me text ni bia or reply me yeah I think so Opemsuo radio this event everybody so ayen so yebo jingo ni bibia and DJ Mensa so when the bibia send bia so nya akwan for the past month no nya akwanya na yen so yabo jumadi we say so they were intimacy me dana say personally me no Opemsuo radio nyina
that's it
Sarkodie ye hwe ni mu da be na be Kumasi
sebe samba biom
there be say be Rapperholic obesra ye
oh and then mo invite me na mo host me wa na member sha kakra because energy no so me pe o
ye hwe ni sa sante me ye no beba
okay and no yes we have to it's a must or say ever
yeah
e be fie my that fans na say but let me say the success of Rapperholic Sarkodie be 5%.
Okay.
Say ye me din keke no me fa na say 5%. Say obi enim say Rapperholic Sarkodie but enya eno nko cannot sell the event. I think say more media wo Kumasi how support on na etie the bloggers content creators the actors the actresses influencers skits crank off just to promote this show no I don't know how this happened all of a sudden energy omudidi ade we chi no nti ade esi no enya se Sarkodie bo udi ana teso nkofa sorry because no matter who you are it's possible so you can have a very bad show if the promotion is not done right.
Okay.
Me dem be ma femu de kakra but dodo na no cause me ba ha 1 week no to me get say 1 week ni pen na de be sell ho. Prior to that you guys kept on the conversation obi o wa ha bia na ho de ntechi nti me to me pese me body na meje bi obi a o ye bibia bo a show we no modia ye nkoso ni enye e ma ne nka ho medamase.
Thank you. Me try to ignore this question but I think say yes, I'm fair to the Beam Nation. Messages on the break, no. Say why so what do you buy one for Stomboy and Kaho? You want to see the mammy, no? Memusa here, why?
Omunina beba, yes, Omunina beba. Rapperholic we first one. Ye be. I know about be no be aba me show no so that.
Yeah, I don't want to mean carry be on your wings every moment.
That be. All boils down to how to be able to keep all this. And yasem getwa to make it happen no you know we're first one and even the first one radio no I'm pretty sure so moving forward we'll have everyone that will be a favorite me also yeah
the next one your mom pay say bit me the whole stadium
yes
your mom pay